Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, TheRumpledOne. Sunday, April 22nd, year 2018. Let's talk trading. Okay, I've been teasing you guys for what, maybe a month now, almost a month, about what some new system that I've coded up. It's not my system, the RHIRB. Well, what the heck is that, right? You guys want to know? Okay, let's see. What do I have to do here? It is the inventory retracement bar by Rob Hoffman. Okay, and there's the link right there. I guess I should probably paste that down in the comments so you can look at it. And so we've got all this about the inventory retracement bars. Now, I've been playing with this for over a month, and it seems to work well, even though I will warn there is a squiggly involved, but I don't always use it. So he's saying, what's an IRB bar? In an uptrend, look for candlesticks bars that open and close 45% or more off their high. Okay? And in a downtrend, bars that open and close 45% or more off their low. So there's a picture right there. And so he uses these squigglies because that tells you if you're in an uptrend or downtrend. Now, why would I look at somebody else's system? Well, it says he's a two-time international trading champion, and he's said he's won numerous live, real money only trading competitions. So, trader sent me this. I said, well, hey, you know what? Maybe I can learn something. And then there's also this PowerPoint presentation. It's 56 pages. You guys can just download it yourself and look at it. So right there, it has a little bit better explanation. Okay, and then there's one final here over on TradingView. Somebody coded it up as a study, so I just had to code it up in MT4. But as always, use your money and risk management. It's for educational purposes only. Your results may be different than my results. Disclaimer, right? Okay, here we go. So, what do we have? Well, see these lines? That's 45 degrees. So you can see if price is moving 45 degrees. And I also made a little degree multimeter here. So even though these may or may not be 100% accurate on is price moving 45 degrees, since it's the same across the board, you can find your optimum settings. And you see here we're on H1, it says minus 43. We've got this line kind of looking like it's going down at 45. Maybe right here it was, but right now it's at 43. So it's like, as you can see, if you scrunch the chart, things change. So you just leave the chart like that and you can determine whether or not it's a 45. But I don't even really concern myself too much with it. I like the horizontal line aspect of it, where here we've got the H1 for the long and the H1 for the short. And we can flip through some other pairs here and see what's happening. So you see here we've got an inventory reduction bar right here, just close. So now if price comes back to this point, cracks it by a tick, a point, you want to go long. If it hits here, you want to go short. Real simple stuff. Okay, of course I had to put it in the dashboard, and so here you can see you've got some trade opportunities right here. And then there's one right here. See, it's 4 below. the long trigger, 34 above the S. So you can see how you can look at this and see if you've got any possibilities. And I added that to the dashboard. So the indicators in question are, we've got the RHIRB, and then we've also got the dots. So you see here with the dots, it'll put a dot on all the inventory reduction bars if it's a high or a low, and the other one will just plot the line. And of course, the dashboard, you get the overall look. And here you can see on the daily, there's a short, was a nice short. Let's see, why do I have the holo zone here? Don't really need that there anymore in this screenshot. So, and you can see here we've got the yen coming down. Still have that gap to fill. And you can see right there, once again, there's another inventory reduction bar for a short. Now, I thought I had another. Here we have we've got a long possibility there. You can see these change with the with your period here, but you can add multiple IRB. So if we want, we could also add an H4 or an H1 and just keep going that way and stack them up. I like anywhere from, I like the H1, the H4, and the M15. They seem to produce really nice triggers. As you can see, there was one right there. I haven't really, M30, I haven't used that. I like M15, H1, and H4. And then if you're looking for longs, of longer time frames, but the D1 and the W1, those are also nice trigger points. M1 I haven't really looked at much. So there you have it. No more teasing. I will try to get these indicators out, and I think I'm on batch 3, or is it batch 4? I think it's batch 3. They'll be coming out hopefully before the end of the week. I have to put them in I have to do all the documentation. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. Play with it, see if you like it. But remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. TheRumpledOne signing off to continue draining the banks.